2022 Lamborghini Urus, finished in Nero, Helene, with beautiful specification, with extended warranty for just under a year. That's very important. Front end PPF and also one service remaining. Every time we're buying Uruses at this price point, you know, retailing between 170 to 180, they're selling very, very quickly because you're getting an unbelievable 650 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive, practical, but at a right price point where they came down a little bit. This car's got big spec as well. I think the colour and the interior and the way it's been spec'd all works. It's in Nero Helene, full style exterior package in the body colour. So the bumpers, the inserts, the skirts, the big body kit is all in black. And I mentioned it earlier, full front end PPF, that's a big one. 23-inch wheels, Tailgate wheels in gloss black. You've then got the Verde calipers. That gives you a taster for what the interior is going to be. So it's got beautiful Sportivo leather with Verde contrast stitching, which is just subtle, but it just works. Privacy glass, sunroof. And then as we move to the rear, you've got the big style package into the rear bumper, quad exhaust system, then wonderful LED lights, boot lip spoiler, spoiler up there. I'll just show you in the boot whilst we're here. Boot liner protector, that's another little netting that comes up, and you've got your parcel shelf with the lovely Verde stitching. But that's why these cars are popular, because you know we're coming into the winter months. You've got power, performance, but practicality. Big boot, lots of space. Keyless entry. I'll start in the back first, and I'll just show you some features. So you can see the Verde stitching. See these sections here. It's got the anodized darkened finish. There would normally be silver. Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. Rear heated seats. That isn't standard. That's been paid for. You've then got this wonderful Sportivo leather, contrast stitching, Alcantara roof lining, 4-zone climate control, and just in lovely condition. It's very important, the warranty and the service plan for me. It makes a big difference. Whoever buys this car, you've got a year's warranty and you've got your next service free at Lamborghini. Into the cabin. Comfort seats. So we've got heated seats, cooled seats and massage seats. That is another big extra. We've got heated steering wheel as well. You've got ANIMA with the off-road modes. And again, you've got that anodized finish on the door cards, across the display here. Then you've got the contrast stitching running throughout. Just turn the heated seats off. There's your heated seats, by the way. There's your cooled seats. If I press the button on here, and then you have your massage seats on there as well. Let's put it into sport, of course, and you can hear how well this engine sounds. It's got a tracker with it. It's got a dash cam with it. So it's got all the safety features. Heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, surround camera system. That anodized finish is lovely. Can you see it across there as well? Makes a big difference to the car inside. Tilt and sliding sunroof. See all the roof linings in Alcantara. Car's covered 29,000 miles. 2 former keepers. Great engine, great specification. Another feature, which is an important one, just press this little button here. Just come off that, put it in the park. Press that. You can see there, you've got your heated steering wheel. And then rear, you've got your heated seats as well for your rear passengers, which can be controlled from here and from the front. This car's going to sell. Every time we get something around about this price point, I touched on it at the start of the video, they come in, they sell. So if you want to contact me and get it reserved, the number's on the screen. Remember, it's got the warranty, it's got the service plan, it's got the full front end PPF. So it's got all the things you would want to look after that car. It's going to go live. Thank you for watching.